Hey everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do a preview of all of the items coming up for the WhatNot auction on May 17th. So I'll go over these lots a little bit more detail. More stuff will be added. There are over 120 train postcards, mostly chrome, but some various years, all standard size. This is a lot of 25 silk embroidery postcards, World War I era. 97 fishing related, some real photos, all standard size, humor, comic, chromes, older. So if it has fish or fishing related, sea life related, it's on here. There'll be 2 lots of Disney World and Disneyland postcards, a little over 50 in each lot. Here's a lot of over 150 dog and puppy postcards, chrome and earlier, some real photo, nice lot. Lot of over 70 dates and calendars, all pre-1915. Beautiful collection here. Lot of 88 actors, actresses, theater, actors' homes, entertainment related, arcade cards and postcards. 88 of these. Great selection of 129 military postcards. A great selection of real photos. A lot of over 90, around 94, 95, something like that, New Jersey postcards. A lot of 19 better souvenir folders, military, roadside attractions, Route 66, whole bunch of Disneyland, Epcot, and other more desirable folders. Here we have a lot of over 130, it's about 140 Indiana state postcards, chrome and earlier. A lot of over 100 all standard size postcards from Colorado, chrome and earlier. Lot of over 100, it's like 110 standard size postcards, some real photos in there, all of New York. Lot of over 110 Virginia postcards, mostly linen, and before might be a couple chromes in here, but nice selection of all Virginia standard size postcards. Nice selection of mostly unidentified real photos of people, places, things. Really nice stuff in here. Good research lot. Nice portraits of people, places, houses, stuff like that. So good selection. Really cool lot of 44 lenticular and 3D postcards. Some are going to stay in the sleeves. Some have a little bit of damage, but still 44 really cool. 3D and lenticular. Heavy lot. This is going to come in at about 2 pounds. Another lot of real photo postcards, over 100, mostly unidentified people, places, and things. Some have information on the back, some don't, some posted, some not, but a nice lot of research lot of real photo postcards. This is a lot of over 50 stereoview cards, a lot of military ships. There's some California earthquake, Alaska, actually California after earthquake, Alaska. Nice lot here. This is the second lot of stereoview cards, bigger cities, Chicago, a whole bunch, almost a series on Sears and Roebuck. There's a few real photo ones. There's Alaska, more Navy ships, and some Hawaii ones in here. Nice lot of military photographs. Got some ones from Japan, all different sizes, on the smaller side. Different wars, different groups of soldiers and sailors. So nice 80 pieces of military people and places. Real photo, not real photo. Yeah, they're real photos. Pictures. These are pictures. Some are picture postcards. Real photo picture postcards. Nice little lot. Nice little photo album. Has family pictures. Whoever did this album did a good job of putting names with pictures. Nice photo there. There's some Boy Scouts with names. Class photo with names. More family. This one's out, but that's Boy Scouts again. So nice little photo. They cut the head out there, but nice little photo album of people. Huge lot of tobacco-related items. Cigar bands, advertising, cigarette cards. A lot of bands, a lot of postal cards, cigarette cards, advertising. Nice selection. Tobacco tins. Not my prices on these, someone else's. Wrapping papers, more advertisement, bands, cigar companies, cigarette money, coins, more advertisements, more tin tags. A lot of cigarette cards and bands, more coins, cigarette tokens. Huge, huge lot. Look at those bands, beautiful bands. More cigarette cards, beautiful cigar bands, box bands. Nice, nice lot here. An album full of 8x10 black and white ship photography. This came from the big million postcard lot. This was a binder of ships, and I'm going to concentrate on the airplane. So all these ships, I'm going to let this album go. Tugboats, whole bunch of tugboats. Not sure if they're the same or different, just different views. Some named ships, ship's crane at the port. Looks like these are all non-military, dating probably from the 60s or 70s, maybe a little early, or maybe a little later, but 51 photos of ships. Looks like some duplication too.